Create drama through repetition and linking several containers together. I'm going to share with you how I did this today. I'm Eric Whitcraft, AIFD Floral Contributor for Florist Review Magazine, and join me as I share with you this exciting hotel-style, exotic, tropical arrangement. Let's get started. To begin this design, I have 3 different heights of a tall ceramic cylinder that has the gold banding on the top. I've filled each of the Uglu dash and yarn to completely conceal and cover them. I've created 6 of them that actually have a lower portion that's exposed, and then an additional 6 or 8 of them to cover completely in yarn. I've inserted the initial hyacinth stakes into the foam and then anchored other hyacinth stakes covered in yarn to that to create this dramatic crisscrossing pattern, beginning the rhythm of this design. I'm also using Midollino extenders in this wonderful mustard color that are also wrapped in yarn. These are swirled and bent around the trellis to create an overall movement and rhythm. I've bound them in place with a little bit of bullion wire. Next, I've inserted the carr heliconia into the design. I'm using some quite tall and vertical. I'm also inverting some of them upside down to carry your eye throughout the vertical upright and downward movements of this design. I've also added in this really great textural foliage called lycopodium, as well as these dancing lady orchids, the oncidiums, in this beautiful lemon color. To finish the design, I've also added in some of the ruffled calathea. All of these spectacular flowers are from Greenpoint Nursery. In the way that I constructed the design, it would be difficult to transport. However, you could actually build it mostly on studio site and then transport it and then add the additional pieces when you get to the hotel. This piece would be super dramatic in a hotel lobby, as I mentioned before. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this has inspired you to get out and create something a little bit larger and more dramatic, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye guys.